What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, hope you're doing alright, and today it's business as usual. We're gonna be watching Idiots in Cars. This is episode number 115, so with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Looks like we are off to a great start, it never gets old. But behold everyone, the driving god is in the house. Power!
Oh my god!
Anyways, looks like bro's controller disconnected. When you see a BMW going full power, just run for your life. Oh look, it's a tow meter. Whoa, damn man, that was close. Way too many drivers are so oblivious these days. You should be able to feel that your wheel is about to fall off. But no, whoa, 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 whoa. Is that a pole position or not? You'll be the judge, let me know in the comments. He's like, wait a goddamn minute, this ain't my house. Actually, when I think about it, this is not even my neighborhood. Idemo bre jugo 45 mašina za bežanje od Murije. Najbolji auto ikad. By the way guys, this is from my country, and that is the almighty Yugo. And just a disclaimer, he could have escaped, but his big balls slowed him down. No, we are gonna move on, I can do this. Balkan people will understand why I'm laughing so much, but anyways, on to the next one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You missed. But jokes aside, the dashcam guy reacted very, very well. But let's see. Yo, 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 yo! Oh! You see what I'm talking about? They don't even have a clue where they're going. Whoa, 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 what the hell is this? A national everybody run a red light day? Damn, that was crazy. Right, sit rep. They were pushing this Merc to the absolute limits, and now we have a fire. So, bro is like, don't worry, I got this. No, I don't. The extinguisher's gone. I know, I shouldn't be laughing at this, but the way it just flew away, it's hilarious. Whoa, what the hell is going on here? We have a wild ride. Go, cowboy! Whee! And he's done. He's definitely done now. They're like, your sports career is over, boy. And again, power! Oh. Now you're stuck. Good to see you back, Mustang. Nice, you still got it. And a wild BMW appears out of nowhere and BAM! That's why you don't hang around for too much on a hard shoulder. It's dangerous. Whoa! What is this? I think it's time to cue the music. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know why people are doing this stuff. It's just stupid, you destroy your car for no reason. Maybe that guy wanted all of his life to become a captain, so there he goes. Moving on now. Someone is gonna mess a red. Ooh. Ooh. That was a biggie. Someone here definitely have to go back to driving school. It's ridiculous. He or she literally had only one job. Only one job. And still managed to mess up. Yeet! Oh, that was a his name is John Cena moment right there. Is that a GTR? I think it is. Power is nothing without control. Wise words to live by. Ouch. You know what? I was thinking about something and I realized that majority of people actually don't know how to drive a car. Like this fool, for example, here. They only think they know how to drive a car, but they actually don't. Because driving a car is much more than just sit in it and drive it, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're gonna leave that topic for another time because we can talk about it for hours, literally. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's what happens when you put too much weight on the rear end of a trailer. Yeah, boy! Oh. How could you do that to your beloved car? It's sad. Sad times. But anyways, let's see what we have here. So far so good. Power! Oh, that's not gone well. Ooh.
Oh my god, that was
Dobro bre više, dobro, smiri se Miran. Nisi više interesantan. He crashed like 6 times into that poor red car. I've never seen it before, it's ridiculous. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Looks like someone's in a hurry and doing drugs while at it. Anyways, moving on to the next one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Some people are really asking for it. Unbelievable, man. It's unbelievable. And now we're gonna just play it off like nothing happened. Oh, okay. At least he has some decency to pull over. And it looks like we are now heading to bakery to buy some donuts. Oh, hello there. No! That was a hard kick. Why are you running? Why are you running? Look at him. Oh, the boys have arrived. The cavalry is here. I wouldn't like to be in his skin. He stopped the cop from buying donuts. That's a big no-no. I've got only one thing to say to him. Whatever you do, don't drop the soap. Moving on to the next one. Let's see what is going on here. Hey, yo, what the hell are you doing, bruh? For her, right lane is the perfect place to stop. Nothing better than that. What a genius. Hey, yo, Audi. Keep your hands to yourself. Whoa, what the heck was that?
Are you stupid?
And he took off. Some people really don't like taking responsibility. Whoa, holy smokes. It looks like truck driver wasn't paying too much attention. He just panicked and slammed on the brakes. Yeah, go be stupid somewhere else. Do us all a favor and leave. Let's see here. And a wild F-150 has entered the chat. If I'm not mistaken, that's F-150, right? But it looks like it was an honest mistake. He's stopping, so no hard feelings there. Whoa, that's a little bit too fast. Slow down, you maniac, you dingleberry. Whoa. We all know this ended before it even started. Whoa, there he goes. What a fool. Unbelievable, man. He's lucky. He's very lucky. This could have ended up much worse for him and for everybody else. Go to some track and then show us how fast you are. Not on streets. It's just stupid. Whoa, what the heck is this? Did that guy try to... I'm confused. I need to watch this again. Who was driving in the wrong direction? Who? Anyways, we'll leave that for later. Let's see what is going on here. Challenger is like, speed! And the Jeep is like, oh no you don't. Whatever you do, I can do it better. Just watch. Watch and learn. Let's see how this one will end. Not good, I'm gonna... Oh. And on that crash, we're gonna wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Oof, that guy's done. Roasted, but where was I? Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for your support. It's much appreciated. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, smack that like button and subscribe if you're keen to see more of this, and also don't forget to leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.